What's up? This is Brandon with Light Bright Cuts. Wanted to do a video here, just showing you guys how to replace the head, the foil on your Babyliss PRO FoilFX. So first thing you want to do, take that off. As you can see, it's about time for me to get a new one. These ones just aren't cutting as sharp as what they used to. And anytime you look at it, if you see any holes in here, or it's definitely, that'll be that time to replace it. So first thing you want to do, use the button here, pop the top off, and then from there, these the actual shaver parts themselves, you just kind of rock them back and forth and they will pop off. So pop that one off, and same thing with this one. I'm gonna rock it back and forth, pull up, and they'll pop off. It's a good thing to have like a little brush, if you can, just kind of clean anything off in there. If it is dirty, it's a good time to clean any hairs that may be inside there. So then what you want to do from there is get your new blades and push those down, and they just click into place. And your other one, push down. You want to line that up, that piece there up with the line there, and just push it down, lock those into place, and those two are on. And then you want to put your new head on there, lock that in, and you're ready to go. From there, what I like to do is I spray a little any type of little oil, Cool Care or anything like that. Spray that on there and kind of let it sit on there, wipe off any excess that you may have, and it's ready to go. All right, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe.